Back again. I want to apologize for the long break in posting videos and stuff like that. It was some technical issues we have here, but we're back on track. So thank you for your patience. I also want to thank you so much for liking our Nyumbani page and liking all the stuff that we put on our social media pages. We really appreciate you a lot, and may the Lord bless you and even open more doors for you as you help us. Thank you so much. Today we are going to treat a few subjects which are very dear to me. One of it is the blender and other food processors. It's a pain to clean it because of the blade, because I've had a few cuts and I don't think it's funny. So I have come up with some not so conventional way of cleaning it. And so we'll get into it, and then our microwave, which is something we always ignore. You know, the top of the microwave, usually when I go to people's offices and homes, that's one place that is very, very filthy. And you put your food in there, nothing is coming back into your food. So it's one area that I want us to look at. Usually you might see the outside is not bad, the inside, even the down part is also not that bad. But when you start cleaning the top bit, inside top bit, it's really filthy. So we have to look at it. You can't eat something out of that filthy microwave. So we'll learn how to clean those areas, and then I'll give you help in getting rid of ants and roaches. I hate those things. I do anything just to prevent them from coming into my abode. So I will help you out with some of the tips and tricks, and then I'll give you a few pointers or a few tips on how to declutter and how to clean as well, and a few more steps to doing some stuff that we ignore in the house. So stay tuned, stay home, stay safe. Oftentimes when we use our blenders and things are stuck around the blade, it's very difficult to. I have tried it before and I've always had cuts on my fingers, so I figured out a way to get that done easily. So I'm going to teach us how to do the cleaning without touching the blade, so stay tuned. I'm doing my detox juice, which is a combination of lemon, ginger, and carrots. And what happens is that sometimes if it's too thick, I'm not able to clean the blender blade without having to put my fingers in there, which really hurts when it cuts you. So I'm just going to show you how, when it gets stuck, you can take it out without putting your hands in there. So watch and learn. So it's not stuck around the blade because the fluid is a bit much, but that notwithstanding, you wouldn't want to wash to the point that the blade will touch your fingers. So let's learn how to do it without having to put our fingers in. Just rinse it a bit. Sometimes you might do things that are really, really sticky, like I use it to mix butter for baking, so sometimes it gets stuck in there and you're wondering how you're going to get it out. This is a very simple way. You can use it for food processor, any of those processing gadgets. So we cover it. Before we cover it, we pour any dishwashing soap in there and cover it, and then blend it for a minute. So you can see the foam. Everything is cleaned. You don't even need to, unless you want to wash it with sponge. You don't necessarily have to if you don't want to, because it's already cleaned. But for me, I want it very, very clean, so I'll wash it again. So that's an easy way of getting your blenders and food processors cleaned without putting your fingers around the blade. I mean, food processor is even easier to clean because you can remove the blade, but with blenders it's difficult. You can't get it out. So this is the best way to get your blenders cleaned. So stay tuned for more.